Hey you guys, we are about to make all your childhood dreams come true because today we are going to make unicorn hot chocolate or narwhal hot chocolate. We already put scoops of the powdered white mocha in the milk, in the hot milk, and then next up, you guys get to sprinkle on some syrup in there.
Yay.
Okay, so let me do this one over here. And you can just do it to taste. That look good? Do you want to do the next one?
I'll do this one.
And then you do that one. There you go. Oh, that's gonna be sweet. Let's add the milk first. Till you want to add more milk into here.
Yeah.
And you're gonna fill it up. Just make sure you leave room for the whipped cream and of course the sprinkles. So the next and most important step is to add the food coloring. And I have this all natural food coloring. It's a powder. And you girls get to pick your color, so blue for narwhal and pink for unicorn, and all you're gonna do is take 1/4 teaspoon of it and put it in your milk and stir it up.
The whipped cream.
And we've mixed up a whole bunch of different colors and types of sprinkles to make this unicorn blend. Okay, so every time that we have a sweet treat like this, especially if we want the kids to like sit through a movie or something like that, we want to add a snack that has some protein and other substances in it. So we are gonna create a little kid-sized snack plate that is, its official name is what, Tilly?
A charcuterie.
Good job! And you set out some plates and you have lots of snacks and a yummy drink and you're ready to watch a movie or spend some time. And it's really easy. No cooking, very little cleanup, and you're done. And it's delicious. Bye, you guys.